Hello everyone, welcome back to English Online. Hello children, how are you today? My name's Marica. What's your name? U ovoj lekciji ćemo naučiti nazive nekih igračaka. Unit 5, Let's imagine and play. Listen and repeat. Slušajte i ponavljajte.
A flower. A flower. A flower. A kite. A kite. A kite. A ball. A ball. A ball. A slide. A slide. A slide. A scooter. A scooter. A scooter. A plane. A plane. A plane. A flower. A kite. A ball. A slide. A scooter. A plane.
A sada da vidimo o čemu razgovaraju deca sa učiteljem.
Look, Zoe! Dexter, Mina, Hugo. Look! What's this, Mina?
Look, Luca. It's a plane. It's blue.
Wow! Yes! It's a blue plane.
Look at me. I've got a scooter. What colour is it, Zoe? It's white. Whee! Woohoo! It's a slide. Is it big, Hugo? Yes, it's big and it's red.
Luca, look! I've got a ball. It's small. It's grey. Oh no! It's a flower.
It's okay, Dexter.
Luca, what have you got?
I've got a kite. It's big. It's green.
Okay, let's play.
Čuli smo da su opisivali igračke. A sada hajde da proverimo da li ste naučili nazive ovih igračaka, a onda ćete ih i vi opisati po izgledu i boji. What's this? Ukoliko ste rekli,
A flower.
tačno ste odgovorili. A sada probajte sami, a nakon svake slike čućete tačan odgovor. What's this?
A kite.
What's this?
A ball.
What's this?
A slide.
What's this?
Scooter.
What's this?
A plane.
I došli smo do kraja ovog videa. Ukoliko ste uspeli da naučite ove reči i ukoliko vam se dopao ovaj video, subscribeujte se na kanal English Online, a mi se vidimo u nekom od sljedećih videa. Bye!